Today we're along Drain 45, just on the north side of the City of West Fargo, and we have a larger company that produces oil from agricultural products, and part of their mandate is to twice a year do a spill drill in case some of their product would come off of their property. It would enter into Drain 45. And so Southeast Cass manages this drain. And so we're just wanting to see what that's about and to be a good partner with agricultural industry, the City of West Fargo, as well as the Water Resource District.
We are simulating what is considered to be our worst case scenario oil spill. However unlikely that scenario is, we have multiple safeties on site to prevent a spill that would get outside of our facility. But in order to ensure that we can keep our employees, the community, and the environment safe, we run drills like this in order to assess our procedures and our processes and ensure we do them as effectively as possible.
What we saw today is them bringing out a crew that's trained. They put in a baffle type structure and then a skimmer to where they could stop the product, which would be agricultural oil from their crushing plant, and then they would skim it off and pump it into a nurse truck or a honey wagon and return the product back to the plant.
I think its majority is to ensure that our processes and procedures are effective and efficient and give us a chance to continually improve on our practices and keep our employees safe, the community safe, the environment safe. In the unlikely event that we were to have an oil spill that would leave the property, we just want to have the procedures in place to ensure that we can handle that.
Yeah, I think the good thing about being involved in this, we're not deploying any of the equipment. It's not our spills. It is Southeast Cass property, which we are the engineers for the Southeast Cass Water Resource District. If something were to happen, we'd be alerted to that they would be working on the property of Southeast Cass, so we're able to alert the board managers on that piece of it. And again, work with the city when there's tieback levees for the West Fargo Horse Diversion Flood Control Project on there, and there are scenarios where there's lift stations and pumps that could affect the spills. So everybody collaborating together to coordinated efforts to control that spill, I think is a great thing.
We definitely focus on these practice sessions in order to improve our processes. We may need to tweak the equipment we use or the personnel that we staff to do these drills, which is all beneficial in the long term for anything we could do for a real spill scenario.
Well, the lesson is really communication and partnerships between the city, between our consultants at Moore Engineering, the Water Resource District, and Cargill. All of us, if we're communicating, we can make things, when they do go bad, make them as good as possible.